Alright, so if you are like me and you got into the Bitmoji classroom over summer, I actually used Bitmoji classroom in the spring with my students, and I got really great feedback from parents like, oh, so and so can't stop talking about how cute it was. And um, of course, when you get good feedback like that, it's something that you feel is like a good practice. Students really enjoy it, they connect with it. So I, when hearing CTLS was going to be like our main thing, I was kind of struggling on how I would incorporate um, the Bitmoji classroom, and I think I found a way. So as of right now, it seems like Google Slides is the way to go if you want to have it embedded in your, like, I guess, main screen for the classes. So I created my Bitmoji classroom, and what you're going to do after you create the classroom is copy the link up at the top, and then I think that the best place personally would be in announcements. You might think Classboard is a good place, but I liked it in announcements. So I'm going to title this Bitmoji Virtual Classroom. No expiration date. I'm going to click type something, and then the plus sign will populate when you click that, so that way you have all these options. Now, in order for it to be embedded, you have to click embed URL, and then paste the URL that you had and click OK. Now you have your Google Doc in there, the announcement. Should show up. Oh, please. There it is. So now you have your Google Classroom down below. If students want to make it bigger, they would just click this box, and now it's full screen. And I have another video where you can watch how this can be used and how I created it.